English, Grade 7, Tape Script 8.22.1. A sun bear. A sun bear. A tiger. A tiger. A water buffalo. A water buffalo. An elephant. An elephant. A cat. A cat. A pangolin. A pangolin. A dog. A dog. A bear. A bear. A dolphin. A dolphin. Tape Script 8.22.2.
Some animals live with people. A cat, a dog, and a water buffalo live with people. Some animals live in the forest and seas. A dolphin lives in rivers and seas. An elephant, a sun bear, a pangolin, a tiger, and a bear live in the forest.
Tape Script 8.22.3. Number 1.
I live in rivers and seas. I eat fish.
Number 2.
I am very big and heavy. I live in the forest.
Number 3.
I am man's best friend. I live with people. I sometimes sleep in their bedroom.
Number 4.
I am yellow and black. People don't like me because they're scared of me. I live in the forest. I eat other animals.
Number 5.
I am small. I am the smallest bear. I can climb really fast. I am black, but I've got a white mouth. I don't sleep at night. I look for food at night.
Number 6.
I help people a lot. I help farmers. I help them grow rice. I'm big, but people aren't scared of me. They like me.
Number 7.
I am smart. I like sleeping. I have a lot of friends, but my best friend is Paul. I like him. Sometimes.
Tape Script 8.22.4. Number 1. What is Cambodia's money? A. Reals. Number 2. Where is this? C. Phnom Penh. Number 3. What is Cambodia's capital city? B. Phnom Penh. Number 4. What province in Cambodia is the biggest? B. Mondulkiri. Number 5. When is Royal Plowing Day? C. In May. Number 6. What is Cambodia's land area? B. 181,035 square kilometers. Number 7. Cambodia has got 3 neighboring countries. What are they? A. Laos, Vietnam, and Thailand.